Would you like to learn how to clean sheep shears, saving you time, money, and frustration? I'm going to show you how to do just that. Here is our secret trick for cleaning a sheep shears. This is a dirty shears that we just finished shearing the long staple length off of the animal. You can see all of the grease and lanolin has gunked up the comb. First, use an engine degreaser and spray the comb and cutter while it is still hot. Allow this to soak for about 15 seconds. We just sheared an Old English baby doll Southdown, and they are rather greasy and have a lot of lanolin. You can shear and stop and clean in between each animal, or you may need to stop halfway through shearing the animal, such as we are right now, and clean. We just removed the torso of the animal. We're cleaning, and then we'll go back and finish up the legs, butt, belly, and any finishing touches. Loosen the tension knob so that the forks will lift and you can remove the cutter. Begin by wiping the cutter with a paper towel. We will be using an old retired hoof trimmer to scrape away the grease. You could also use a pocket knife. As you can see, the grease is removing pretty easily. Without this trick, it would be more difficult and tedious to remove this. Make sure you scoop out the underside of the cutter, because this is going to press against the comb. You want to be careful not to ruin any of the sharpened edges. Next, grab your comb and start removing the grease in between the teeth. While you're shearing, you may notice that it's not cutting well and it's getting hot. Obviously, adjusting the tension is one factor, as is lubricating oil. But another factor is that it may be clogged up with grease and need cleaning. Specifically with our baby dolls, we do need to stop and clean about halfway through. With a Shetland, you might be able to shear the whole animal and clean it at the end. So always stop and evaluate your comb and cutter to see if they are clean enough. Remember, when you're overheating, you can dull your equipment, and combs and cutters can be expensive to buy every year. So if you can take care of them and preserve them, it is money well saved. This is the Phantom R comb, and because we've taken good care of it, we've used this for around 3 seasons. Make sure to remove the grease from both sides of the teeth. If you need to spray a second time, you can do so. You should be able to achieve a nice shiny finish. which will allow you to comb and cut much more easily and much less frustration while you're shearing. A cleaner shears and comb equals a happy shearer and money saved. You will need to reinsert the cutter. For complete instructions on how to assemble a sheep shears, watch my Sheep Shears 101 video. Don't forget to re-oil, and you're ready to go back to shearing.